Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you spend any time at all filming with your phone, then this little piece of magic is going to rock your world. So this is the OCTOBUDDY double-sided suction cup piece that goes right behind on the back of your phone. Whether you have a case on your phone or not, this is going to stick so easily and then firmly and securely place your phone on any glass surface. So the possibilities are endless. If you're filming, you can place it on the car window, you can place it in your kitchen, you can put it on a mirror anywhere or a window. This has been such a great find. So whenever I'm unable to bring a tripod with me or where I want to film is just not conducive to a tripod, this little OCTOBUDDY has been exactly what I need. And because it comes off so easily from the back of my phone, it doesn't interfere with my wireless charging. I can remove it if I don't need it. It's always there when I need it, and I can easily take it off when I don't. So what is better than that, than an extra pair of hands holding your phone exactly where you need it to be to get the perfect shot? So if you're spending any time with your phone and you need to do hands-free filming or picture taking, this is what you need in your life. This is the double-sided suction cup OCTOBUDDY. I have it in the blue color, and it has just totally transformed my life. I never go anywhere without it, and that is my point of view.